Hey, welcome to my channel. In today's video, what I'm going to be doing is talking to you about what I think is the most simplest, most easiest way to get started with affiliate marketing. And in fact, I'm talking about high ticket affiliate marketing where you'll be potentially earning higher ticket commissions, higher commissions, right? So for those of you that don't know what affiliate marketing is, in a nutshell, it's basically you promoting other people's products and services online and getting a commission, right? And I'm presuming that you know what affiliate marketing is, so you'll understand exactly, hopefully you'll understand what I'm going to talk to you about moving forwards, okay? So the most simplest way that I think you can get into affiliate marketing is using systems, okay, that are pretty much automated and done for you. And the reason why I like those kind of systems, especially if you're a newbie, is because you don't have to waste a lot of your time going about learning and tweaking and testing and seeing if something works or not, right? What you can do is simply plug into a system and start generating income, okay? Because that's the name of the game. With affiliate marketing, it's all about results. It's all about getting results and getting yourself an income, right? So what you're probably wondering, what have I got right in front of the screen right now? So what I'm going to show you is a system called Profits Passport. Okay, that's the name of the system. Okay, and what this does is basically it allows you to plug into the system. Okay, and be able to just promote products. Okay, automated. Okay, so it's step by step laid out. Everything is very simple to do and follow. Right, so how this works, I'm going to show you how it all works, okay? But essentially what I'm showing you before we get into this is, like I said to you before, it's basically a system that's been automated, okay, created for you to plug into, okay, and use, okay, free of charge, okay? So you can use this system, this funnel system that I'm going to show you. It's totally free of charge. And you'll be able to plug into it, set things up, and then be able to promote products and services within the system, okay, that you would need to actually activate and buy, okay, and then you'll be able to promote those as well, okay. So I'm going to explain everything to you. I'm going to try and keep this as short as possible so that we get right into it, okay. So this is actually the landing page, okay, so lead capture page, okay. So when you first join, or when you're first looking to join, you would come to this page. You would simply read this and create a free account. Okay. Once you've done that, so you enter your email, you just click here to continue. You're going to end up on this page over here. Okay. So this is the guy who's created the system. His name is David Deacle. Okay. Now the system that he's created is creating a lot of results. Okay. A lot of results. People are getting a lot of results. And I'm going to show you this within the Facebook group. Okay, so there's a Facebook group for this Profits Passport system. I'll show you the results as well of how many people are generating all sorts of commissions, all sorts of results. So this system works. Put it in a nutshell, it works. Okay, and then what you would do, just watch this video. Okay, and scroll through this page. Okay, literally scroll through the page and go through the results. Have a look at people's testimonials. There are many, many, many people that are generating results with this system. Okay, so you'd go through the testimonials, right? Real quick, go through the testimonials. It's a huge list of testimonials. Everyone has given, who've got results, have gone and given testimonials, and you can just go through, scroll through, and we are talking a lot of testimonials. Okay, once you've done that, okay, and you're bored of all the testimonials, you want to go out there and now get on with this, right? So what you would do is simply scroll back up, okay, in fact scroll right down, okay, and then click on get on webinar. Okay, now when you do that, you're going to end up on this page. Okay, super important that you go through this webinar, okay, because David explains everything in detail. You want to go through this webinar and understand exactly where he's coming from, who he is, what he's done in the past, and why you should plug into this system. Okay. Once you've done that, you just go out there and create your free account. By the way, this is all free. There's no cost at all at this stage. Okay. So you'd create your free account, first name, last name, and email. And then once you've done all that, you will come onto this page. This is your back office. Okay. So this is your back office. You'll quickly go through the 14-minute video here where David explains everything in detail as to how this system works, right? Super important that you go through the video. And then what you have is your affiliate link, right? This is the link. This affiliate link is what will basically, you will use this affiliate link to promote the system, okay? To promote your own Profits Passport business, okay? And here, what you would do is, I said to you before, you have all these different income streams. So you've got income stream 1, 2, 3, and 4, okay? There's 4 different income streams. What you would do is watch each video which is associated with the income stream, the tutorial, okay? And then you would go out and activate the income stream, okay? When you activate this income stream, then you will get the product, okay, of whatever the income stream is, and that will actually help you in your business, your online business, etc. And also you'll be able to promote this product automated and earn commissions. That's how this works. So for example, the first income stream, you can earn up to $2,000 per sale, okay? And all you need to do is simply activate this income stream, and then go through the other income streams and activate those as well, okay? In terms of getting traffic, in terms of getting leads, okay, to your business, you can literally just go to income stream 4 and activate this, okay, and pay for traffic and get leads this way. Or you could do free lead advertisements, okay, getting free leads, and that is income stream number 2, and it actually shows you how to do all this, right? So you have no excuses, okay? Very simple to do. What I wanted to do in this video is show you that if you are looking for a simple way to just get into affiliate marketing, this, in my opinion, is something that you should have a look at least, okay? Now, let's talk about testimonials, okay? Let's talk about results. Sorry, not testimonials. Let's talk about results. I'm going to show you the Facebook group, and I'm going to show you real results, and there are many. Okay, hopefully you are ready to see some results, okay? And many results, in fact, okay? So I'm actually in the Facebook group for Profits Passport. There's David Deacle, the guy behind the system, and here we go. These are new posts, and you can see the commissions rolling in every single day, okay? And different people earning different commissions with this system, okay? So $2,000 here, okay? $4,000 today, thanks David to the system, okay? Scott posted $2,500 and then $500 through David's system, okay? Jason Lego, okay? $2,000 commission overnight. Tim posted, and he's showing his results, okay? $2,000 sale today. I mean, I'm going to go this guy has done in 16 days $18,500 with this system, okay? And you're just seeing the results. I mean, Jeff woke up to $2,000 commissions, $22,565 in 22 days from just income stream number 1. Remember, I was showing you all the different income streams. This guy has just earned from just income stream number 1, okay? Tim posted again, $2,000 commissions. You're seeing results every single day. $800 commission rolled in through another income stream within this system that I just showed you. So it goes on and on, okay? So the decision is yours, okay? You can go out there and you can, if you're starting off affiliate marketing, you can, go out and go through all sorts of videos and trainings on YouTube or whatever it is for free and do all that stuff. Or you can plug into a system that works, okay, put some effort into it, and start generating results yourself. And you will end up seeing results like this, potentially see results like this, if you put in the work, obviously. And there's no guarantees, of course. There's never any guarantees, but you can see that this system works. Okay, so the point of showing you this is the possibilities. It's not a guarantee, it's just the possibilities. Take care. Bye.